present documentary is conceptualized by me and Mr. Shankar Rao. I am fully convinced that if right environment is created, any individual beyond their limitations can thrive.
Yes, I strongly believe that knowing one's own body, its capabilities and the limitations are essential for personal growth and for societal contribution. Initiatives like Vision 2020 by WHO and efforts of institutions like Devanar School for Blind and many others are commendable. Fostering inclusivity and supporting individuals to reach their full potential is crucial for creating a fair and just society.
Hi, Dr. Vishwanathan. As we were thinking, human rights concern and our social responsibility goes together. Shall we show our solidarity to the visually handicapped children? They are very adaptive, innovative, resourceful and creative. Is it not so?
I am Dr. Saibaba Gaud, ophthalmologist. As a practitioner, I have seen number of children who are blind with irreversible blindness. The parents were disappointed. The only way to educate them so that they can live with self-esteem. We thought over the future of the children and started the school for the visually challenged in the year 1992 for children. Gradually the strength has increased. Initially for about 6 years, we had a lot of problems for raising the donations because many people liked our idea, but they were not comfortable when I say all the facilities given to the children are free. So for 5 to 6 years, I spent a lot of money from my own income and saw that this foundation is stable. If people realized and started helping our school later, and also partly the central government also started helping. So initially we started the internet and also the software for the blind in the year 2000, first time in the country to educate the visually challenged. After the introduction of the software and computer, the strength of the school has increased, and today we have got about 640 students.
Use left ring finger. I. Use right middle finger. Press correct key. I. T. Use left index. H. Use O. Use right ring finger. U. Use right in T. Use left index finger. Space. Fear. F. Use press correct key. E. Use A. Use left little finger. R. Full stop.
From the school and college, every child gets free food, education, accommodation. We get lot of support from the public apart from the government, and we are able to sustain and provide lot of infrastructure on par with the developed countries.
We are providing free food, education, accommodation, irrespective of caste, gender, religion.
Today we have students not only from Telugu states, from different states of this country, including Andaman and Nicobar. We have been technically guiding Sri Lanka, Somalia, Ethiopia, Cambodia, and now we are guiding the Sweden also.
They can understand any theoretical subject by touch and feel method. Even electrical circuit also they understand by touch and feel method.
Okay.
But the problem is they cannot connect the wire because it is a thin wire. So we have to provide crocodile clips like this. With this they can easily connect the wires. The circuit is completed. But the light is on, but they cannot see the light. So that is why we provided the buzzer system. So with this they understand my circuit is complete.
This is a battery. This is a positive wire of the battery. It is going to switch, fuse, and it is going to the resistor. The parallel wires are converted to buzzer. Since we can't see the circuit, so these are connected to buzzer, so we can identify with the sound. This is P point. LED 1, LED 2, LED T3. Again it is coming to Q. It comes to the negative of the battery. Now again to the P. LED 4, LED 5, LED 6. Again it is coming to Q. It comes to the negative wire of the battery.
The food will start digesting from mouth. After small intestine, is called villi. Here the food will absorb here. After observing the food, the waste material goes through the large intestine. Having epiglottis. In epiglottis we have two pipes. One is food pipe and another one is trachea. So here the trachea pipe is. The trachea will divided into two tubes. They are called as bronchi. Here the one and one more is this, and again bronchi will form one lung and another bronchi will form another lung.
This chemistry experiment done by our student got international award recently from Society for Science USA in the IRIS competitions.
Okay, they learn chemical processes.
The chemistry neutralization experiment of acid and bases by making use of technology, because the color changes, they cannot see the color changes, only by the hearing perception, making use of hearing perception, they understand the neutralization process as well as at what point the neutralization has happened.
Okay, thank you.
I'm going to explain how to write braille. So this is our braille slate, and in this we will use the 6-dot system, and in 6 dots we are having whole three languages like English, Telugu and Hindi. So while writing we will write from right to left, and while reading we'll read it from left to right. The dots will emboss in this slate. So first we have to insert the paper in this. Now I will write, I'll show. Now I wrote 3 languages. Now I will read. The dots will emboss like this. We will read it from left to right. First one is, I wrote in English, my name is Ankita. Second I wrote in Hindi, Mera naam Ankita. And next I wrote in Telugu, Na peru Ankita.
Starting Devnar Foundation for Blind, many parents are coming forward to admit their girl child who are afraid of sending the children. Today we have got 1/3 strength in our school, the girls who are educating, and also now we are employed in the government and also the dads. The parents are also very proud. Devnar Foundation is proud to say that we are able to wipe the tears of the parents and see the tears of happiness in the
girls. After 10th class, children going to drop out. Why? Because there are no hostel facilities, free education in the outside. So all the children come and requested the Dr. Sir and me, ma'am, please provide intermediate level, graduation level. If we are going to outside, we are not getting proper facilities, computers and all those things. So because of that, we introduced intermediate graduation level. So no dropout in our school, because we are giving our teachers, our ayahs, everybody giving love and affection to the children. Total they are forgetting what they are. They are completely forgetting we are special children. They are behaving here in the campus as a normal children. First admission what we are doing, we giving the orientation mobility. How to go to the classes, how to identify the things like that. We start with that. Within 2-3 months, children they pick up and they go to their classes, and this is an English medium and total free for the children.
They were thinking that being visually challenged, they can only go for BCom BA, not engineering field, which I could not digest. We made them to participate in various science contest competitions with the project. So our children got various national awards.